Welcome back to our channel. Ask Marybeth of Avant Homes. Today, we've got a topic that affects all of us: home safety. Our cozy abodes should be our safe havens, but accidents can happen. So, we've rounded up some essential safety tips to keep your home secure and your loved ones protected. First up, fire safety. Every year, thousands of home fires break out, so it's crucial to be prepared. Install smoke detectors on every floor and near bedrooms. Test them regularly and change the batteries twice a year. Have a fire extinguisher in the kitchen and one on each floor. Tip number 2, electrical hazards. Electrical hazards can lead to dangerous situations. Prevent overloading outlets and use surge protectors when necessary. Replace damaged cords immediately, and never run them under rugs or furniture. If you notice flickering lights or frequent circuit trips, call a qualified electrician to inspect your wiring. Tip number 3, childproofing. If you have little ones, childproofing is a must. Cover electrical outlets, use safety gates at stairways, and secure heavy furniture to the wall to prevent tipping accidents. Keep hazardous substances, like cleaning supplies and medications, out of reach in locked cabinets. Tip number 4, home security. Home security is vital for peace of mind. Invest in a reliable home security system with cameras and alarms. Always lock doors and windows, even when you're home. Consider motion sensor lights around your property to deter intruders. Tip number 5, preventing falls. Falls can happen to anyone, young or old. To prevent them, keep floors and stairs free of clutter. Use non-slip mats in the bathroom and place handrails along stairways. If you have seniors at home, install grab bars in the bathroom for added safety. Tip number 6, kitchen safety. The kitchen can be a hotspot for accidents. Never leave cooking unattended, and keep flammable items away from the stove. Use cutting boards and knives safely, and store sharp objects properly. Teach kids about kitchen safety from an early age. Tip number 7, carbon monoxide and gas safety. Carbon monoxide and gas leaks are silent threats. Install carbon monoxide detectors near sleeping areas and gas detectors in rooms with gas appliances. Regularly inspect gas lines and appliances for leaks and have them serviced as needed. That's a wrap on our home safety tips, folks. Remember, safety starts with each one of us, and by following these guidelines, we can make our homes secure sanctuaries. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Stay safe and take care. See you in the next one.